Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for joining me for this Memory Box Fall Album Share. I hope you are having a wonderful time with family and happy holidays to you. I used the Graphic 45 Hello Pumpkin 12x12 collection pack as well as the patterns and solids. So this was a whole bunch of fun. It was more of what I would consider a greetings card type of paper pack, but it still worked really wonderfully in this book design. So as you saw right there in the beginning, I've got actually some real fall leaves in there from my front yard and my giant pear tree that's over 50 years old. This was just unbelievably fun to construct. All totally chipboard outside cover. And then some beautiful plaid on the back. I love the acetate window. You can actually put, some shaker elements in there as we got 2 acetate pieces. This opens right up and I want to show you a zoomed in close version of these cute little leaves. They actually browned once I put them in there, but it took a minute. So it was nice to kind of add that little seasonal touch in an actual book itself. If you were interested in this particular class, I'll leave the entire tutorial down in the description for you. The original does use different paper, but you can really add any paper it is that you want. A lot of my friends from our Facebook group actually had Christmas paper on these ones, and look at this fun envelope. Oh my gosh, this is something you can do. All little tidbits just hanging around. You could sit around the coffee table and just hand different pieces to family and everyone can just check out the pictures individually. I use this cute little tag to kind of keep this little flap closed here. I actually forgot to put my little magnet, so I fussy cut around all that. Sometimes little accidents end up really fun. It gets me to stretch my creativity. And look at that, autumn days. And these all just go right back inside the actual envelope right there. And then we have like a cool little waterfall just kind of floating around here. Very simple decorating style. This actually came together a lot quicker, especially if you already know what design paper you're going to put where. Man, this is just so much fun. And a nice 4x6 picture right there on the back. And some 4x4s. I did add just a tiny bit of ribbon here to keep this cute little accordion closed. So this just opens up like this, and you could put pictures on the front or the back, anything you want. And that just ties right back up. And then we have a cute little folder, and it just kind of opens up. More picture space in here. I attached one of the stickers as a tab and layered some of these on here. And that's a magnetic closure and a couple of those stamps. I just had so much fun kind of adding these little simple touches to the book. And this box fits quite a bit. Look at this fun acetate see-through little floating pocket here. And then I added some brads throughout the little collection pieces. And then you can add a picture on the back or the front of these little guys right here. And they just slide right back in, and you can fit more in these little pockets than I have. Just a simple photo mat right here. And then I love this angle pocket one. I actually added one of the little border strips from the sticker sheet. And then we have like a cute little angle right here and some more little fun stuff in here. This one I made like a little swivel. So there was a lot of repeated Hello Fall leaves. So I'm thinking that, you can make a couple different small books, little pumpkin patch books, because it does not include various sentiments. So here's the back of this one. But again, it still worked beautifully in this book. If this is a paper pack you want, I'll go ahead and leave the paper in the description as well, so you can go ahead and get one yourself. And of course we have a beautiful, yep, there it is. I stuck a little bit of the sticker right at the top there as well, and then we have a cute little pinwheel. It just keeps going. Right there. So many fun elements in here, and we have a nice big one on the back too. Look at this one. Just a simple floating pocket with a tag. I added a couple stickers to the corners of one of those. It looks like a tag-shaped pocket. And then you could even top your tags, add some eyelets. I left those open so you could stick a picture behind. How fun. And again, another little Brad edition right there. I hope everyone's having so much fun with family. I know this is a couple days later. Sometimes things in life kind of just happen. And, I ended up coming out a little bit later with this. This folds out so fun. We got a couple flaps in here, as well as stacked pockets right on the back. 4x6 picture space, front and back. You could stick more in these pockets even. And if you wanted to just make this as a nice fold-out card, you could just make this as a standalone piece of itself. I added some more brads in the corner there. And here's the back. Super fun how we can just kind of fussy cut around images and have them overlay across. And it just adds that cute little flair. And everything just goes right back in here. And you can assemble this however you want to peer through. You know, you could see through the window and you can kind of put them in here however you feel. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And again, I'll leave that class down in the description. If you liked this one, you'll love this book up next. And thank you everyone so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Peace, much love, and I'll see you next time.